Okay, so we're gonna go check out the street in a minute, and we'll just kind of walk in, see what it's all about. So it's kind of a food street, so we're gonna go check it out in a minute, so stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this street, I think it's we'll find out more in a minute. Got this construction over there. This is the entrance, and we're gonna go see what it's all about. So they got food stands. Smells really good. Smells great. Qingdao beer. Goes all the way down to the end. Kind of noodles. So let's check it all out. The lighting is just perfect right now too, so it's all really good. Okay. It's tasty. Smells really good. You can see it cooking, so it's like microbrewery. Hello. So it's
This is Thailand tea.
Oh, Thailand tea.
Yeah, we have red tea, we have green tea, we have lemongrass.
Oh, lemongrass.
Yeah, this is lemongrass.
Oh, that sounds good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello. It's of cool stuff everywhere. Clothing. Yeah, I think it's it smells like well, there's lots of different foods, but it kind of has like a Thai feel to it. So that was all Thai food, so maybe it's kind of a mix of Thai and who knows, ice cream. But maybe it's just stuff for the greater community as well. So there's Rua de Madeira, which is a street we went down a minute ago. Juices. It's good too. Chicken. It's tasty. It's pretty cool.
Oh, thank you.
Very tiny.
Hello, we are having handmade burger.
Looks cool.
Hey, how big are you? We open and let you take a picture.
Oh, thank you. That looks really smells good too. Wow. Oh, thank you.
We have different fillings. We have prawns and squid.
Oh, looks good.
And we have truffle chicken as well. The truffle, the mushroom, kind of.
Maybe I'll come back in a little bit.
Oh, okay, doesn't matter. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's really tasty. Huh. It says, I guess these are for people to sit. And there's actually a partitioning glass too. That's kind of cool. So they each got a partitioning glass. I like that. That's really cool. Okay, let's keep on going. This one says Moon. So it has all this kind of Macau tourist stuff as well. Huh, I wonder if they're making the street into something Umun I usually associate for tourists, so. Huh. It's cool too. And we come out in this little park here. Get some. Huh. So that's going to be the end of it in a minute. Pretty nice little space. And we got a nice temple right there too. Fish. It's like they catch the fish, I think. It's kind of fun for kids. And we got a park right here as well. Looks like they're gonna do some music maybe later. Then we're gonna come to an end in a minute. Then there's a temple as well. So that's our street, and that's our temple, which is closed today. And then I guess we're gonna end it. Oh. So yeah, that's our lively street today. So this kind of comes to the end of it. Then we'll film. So there we go. Chiquinha, chiquinha.